cannot show at this time because it's limited edition. Signs that he's not serious about you. Ginoo ko, daming mga signs, guys. Signs that he's fading away to you. Signs that he is. Signs that she is. Ano ba hinahanap natin, guys? No requesting of belly buttons. I'm from Nottingham, UK. Hello, Michael. How are you, Michael? What are the signs that he's not serious about you? Mga iniwang sawi dyan. Commenting na. Number 1. I am good, thanks, from Michael. I am good, thanks. From Michael. Okay, what are the signs? Number 1. Thank you for the like. How are you? I'm good also. I just came back from my off day. Number 1 is, here are some signs that may indicate that he's not serious about you. O sa mga nagtatanong dyan, is he serious or is he not serious? Okay, here it is. He doesn't make time for you. Oh, if the guy doesn't make time for you, wala na yan. Wala na. He's always busy or unavailable when you want to spend time together. Good evening, Sunday. Hello, kiss. Happy Sunday. Number 2. He doesn't communicate openly. He avoids deep conversations or doesn't share his thoughts and feelings with you. And number 3, he doesn't introduce you to his friends and family. He keeps you separate from his social circle and important people in his life. Number 4, he doesn't make future plans. He avoids discussing long-term plans or goals or doesn't include you in his future plans. That is right. Number 5, he doesn't respect your boundaries. He pushes for physical intimacy or emotional vulnerability when you're not comfortable. Number 6, he only contacts you when he needs something. He only reaches out when he wants something like physical intimacy or emotional support. Number 8, he doesn't make an effort to impress you. He doesn't try to show you a good time or make an effort to impress you. Number 9, he has one foot out to the door. He keeps his options open and doesn't fully commit to the relationship. And number 10, he doesn't prioritize your feelings. He disregards your emotional and doesn't make an effort to understand your perspective. Remember, the signs alone don't necessarily mean he's not serious about you. Communication is the key. Have an open and honest conversation to understand his intentions and feelings. And signs that she's not serious about you. Do you think that your woman is serious about you? Okay, number 1.